Welcome to part 1 of our JavaScript tutorial series by Amatip IT. Today, we will introduce you to the basics of JavaScript programming. JavaScript is a popular programming language used to add interactivity to websites. You can use JavaScript to create dynamic web pages that respond to user actions. To begin, let's talk about the basics of JavaScript syntax. JavaScript code is written in a script tag within an HTML document. You can also write JavaScript code in a separate file and link it to your HTML. To make JavaScript work, you need to reference or call the script in your HTML file. JavaScript variables are used to store data and can be declared using the var keyword. You can assign values to variables using the equals operator. JavaScript supports different data types, such as strings, numbers, booleans, and objects. String variables store text and are enclosed in quotation marks. Numbers can be either integers or decimals and are not enclosed in quotation marks. Boolean variables hold either true or false values. JavaScript objects are containers for named values called properties. You can access object properties using dot notation or brackets. JavaScript also has different types of operators, such as arithmetic, assignment, and comparison operators. Arithmetic operators are used for mathematical calculations, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Assignment operators assign values to variables, such as equals, plus equals, equals, asterisk equals, equals. Comparison operators are used to compare values and return a Boolean result, like equal to, not equal to, greater than, and less than. Conditional statements, such as if, and else, allow you to perform different actions based on conditions. Loops, like for and while loops, are used to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. Functions are reusable blocks of code that can be called with specific input values, known as arguments. JavaScript has many built-in functions, but you can also create your own custom functions. Comments are used to add explanations or notes to your code, and are not executed as part of the program. These are just the basics of JavaScript, but they will give you a solid foundation to build on. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we will explore more advanced JavaScript concepts.